तो भाई साहब क्या हाल चाल है। उम्मीद करते हैं आप लोग एकदम मज़े में होंगे, फुल मस्ती मजाक कर रहे होंगे। तो बेसिकली ये ब्लॉग जो है वो जेल बजाज का है। जेल बजाज में एक इवेंट हो रहा है, तो प्लीज़ पूरा वीडियो देखना, बहुत बेहतर है, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा। उम्मीद करते हैं ऐसा पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। चलते हैं, सारे फुटेज आपको दिखाते हैं।
Special. I don't know what worries you. I don't know what worries you, but one day the right one, the right kind of love will find you, and it will be at right time. It will be when you need it most. Thank you so much.
Mind mantras, please be ready.
Hello everyone. My name is Asta and team, and team member is Asta and Priyambada. Our theme is self-love. So self-love is an ocean, and your heart is a vessel. Make it full, and any excess will spill over into the lips of the people. You hold dear, but you must come first. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Shivi Vashni and my team Mind Mantras, and along with my team members Divya and Pritha. So our topic for haiku is nature. Lovely butterflies around me and birds are chirping. Grass between my toes. I breathe in the spring. See Mother Nature just winking, winking. Thank you.
टीम जूनियर जी।
Good morning. So, my name is Chandan Rai with Sivani Singh and Anindita. Team name is Enough. So, our team name is Enough. To fall in love with yourself. Love yourself. Self. To fall in love with yourself, I learned it very lately to deal with it. I was listening to others till date, and don't criticize yourself for someone else, but I'm enough for myself.
Friend, Team Immortals.
हवाई
Of losing my people and fear, in my heart they are very dear. I know they do love me, for them I am always near. And suddenly I wake up from my dream of losing them again.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to complete my haiku with my teammates Gautam, Abhijit Oja, and me, that's Abhishek Panna. So, I'm stuck between yesterday and today. Perhaps there will be no tomorrow. You taught me to always hope. Perhaps I'm the shadow in the roadside, or I'm getting it all wrong again, and again. Thank you.
Prince and Sonia. Little words. And my topic is someone special. My love is not in the dark. It's not gonna fade away. It will be because a story to be told, but a bit different from other. Other stories come to an end, but our won't. Thank you.
One Ayushi Maheshwari Shweta Kumari. Next team, be ready. Wander with Sky.
Along with Ayushi Maheshwari, and our team name is Team Achievers 1, and my topic is nostalgic emotional health.
I'm trying to be strong, but it hurts. I'm trying to act all cool, but I am burning inside. I'm trying not to care, but I swear I care. I'm saying it never mattered, but I swear it always mattered and feel me alive. Thank you.
Style gladiators, be ready.
Good morning, everyone. My team name is Wonder with Sky with Yatendra Singh and Devinder Mahawar. So, my theme is self love. Self love is all about you are free, you are powerful, you are good, you are loved. You have values, you have dreams, you have a purpose. All is well, be proud of who you are and not ashamed of how someone else sees you. Thank you.
And Rajneesh Pandey. Next team, Rule Breakers, please be on the stage.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are versatile gladiators with team members Radha, Yamini, and Rajni. Our haiku is on self-love. So here I begin. Sitting by the ocean, quietly, listening to the silence of the waves, wondering what are the odds of not having any faith. But little did I know, faith is all about loving, embracing yourself. So, my dear, this is what self-love is all about. Love yourself. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends. So, team number one, Rule Breakers. My name is Ankit Raj, and my friend is Neha Shaw, Swami Raghavendra Narayan. So, our topic is regrets. Regret in my heart, killing me from inside, breaking me like a volcano, a big tsunami running in my nerves. Hope you will understand and help me to overcome. Thank you.
Team Achievers 2, Sanjuti Sarkar, Saloni Kansal, Nandini Kumari on the stage, and next team, Louise, be ready.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Sanjuti Sarkar, and my team members are Nandini Kumari and Saloni Kansal. We have written on self-love, Achievers 2. Self-love is one of the most beautiful and powerful revolution where one love oneself beyond perception and vanity. It is the simplest form of accepting yourself. Build yourself no matter what your past was. Just be beautiful on your own. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Priyanshi Gupta, and my team member is Saurabh and Shrest. My topic is self-love. Louise, Louise, Luvies. Can I start? May you need some time away from all the noise. Spending time with yourself with the coffee hard to find. I thought becoming myself was improving each piece by piece. Never regret anything that made you smile. Thank you.
Stage, Archana Kumari, Akanksha, Megha Singh, and Team Pavilion, be ready.
Hello everyone, I am Akanksha along with my teammates Archana and Megha. Our team is Talentful and I am here on the topic Someone Special. Some conversations are polished. He was an ocean, his words deep blue sea, heart defining silence as a deep sea. She was just a small boat trying to know him.
Thank you.
Please be on the stage. And team S2S, please be ready.
My name is Jyoti Agredi, along with my teammates Abhijit Sekhar and Vipul Mani, and we are Team Pinilian. And our topic is someone special. Jyoti Agredi. So team name is Pinilian. Penillian. Pinilian. It means poetry. Here we go. When someone special enters your life, unexpectedly don't let them go. They are probably brought into your life for a reason, as they are the one for whom you are made. Anyone can make you smile, but it takes someone special to make you happy. Thank you.
Team Rule Breakers 2, please be ready. With team members named Sarthak Bansal, Samriddhi Sharma and Pranay Udawat.
Good morning everyone. My name is Saurabh Dubey and with my team partners.
Everyone maintain decorum.
And my topic is today versus yesterday. Today I will change myself. Team name S2S. Today I will change myself. Today I am here to learn something. In the years back, I don't know anything, but now I will do something with my life.
Team Rule Breakers, please be on the stage. And Team Elite, please be ready.
Good morning everyone. We are Team Rule Breakers and our team members are Pranay Udawat, Sarthak Bansal and myself Samriddhi Sharma. And the topic for today's haiku that we've chosen is self-love. My eyes which were searching for love were always numb. My inner soul was always saying, my dear one, please come. Then there was a reality check and all my thoughts were crystal clear. I looked into the mirror and asked, who am I? What am I searching for? My inner soul screamed, you are gold, you are precious, you don't need anyone. Yes, it is self-love. Yes, it is self-love. Thank you everyone.
Team Powerpuff, be ready.
Good morning everyone. I'm Kashish Agarwal along with my team members Teju Gupta and Sabi Tong. My theme is humor. So here comes my haiku. So Team Elite. So here comes my haiku. The tears shine when you said you're not mine. So I began this rhyme to tell myself that I'm fine. But now, finally, I am my own Valentine. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. We are Team Powerpuff. Our team members are Kajal Rani, Karishma Srivastava and myself Devanshi Verma. Our haiku on the topic is someone special. Special are those when their name comes to our mind, it brings a smile. I feel so lucky to have you as a part of my life. You gave me strength on my blues. Every time I see you, my heart booms. Thank you.
Please get ready with Mohit, Subhranshu and Jyoti. And guys, please maintain the decorum.
Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. My name is Pravendra Pratap. Along with my teammates Tanya Jain and Soumya Jaiswal, and our team name is Venom. So our theme is self-love. Dare to love yourself. Dare to love yourself as if you are a rainbow with gold at both the ends. Dare to love yourself as if you were a rainbow with gold at both the ends. Not always you will have someone to hold your hands. Self-love is holding yourself to not to scatter like sand. Thank you so much.
Team Achievers 3, Mahinder Kaur, Lavanya, Saifi, be ready.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our team is Team Doraemon and our topic is self-love. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. When I am down, you lift me up. When I am bored, you find a way to lift things up. When I need someone to talk to, you always lend an ear. And tell me how much you care and that you will always be there. You are my special friend. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Lavanya along with Mahinder Kaur. We are going to present a haiku on nature. The wind is blowing, the wind is blowing, the leaves rustle in rhythm to nature's heartbeat. The branch sways slowly as a child sings a sweet song. Gracefully it goes. Thank you.
And Team Growth, be ready.
Good morning everyone, my name is Atmik and here is my teammate Rakti Mazarika. We are from All Stars and here's my poetry. So deep inside me something blossoms deep. Don't know what, something of a sort. An uncanny lightness breaks through the darkness. Thank you.
With members Nutan, Anirudh and Gaurav Gupta, Team Amigos, be ready.
Good morning all of you. I Anirudh with team member Gaurav Gupta and Nutan Singh. And my topic is self-love. You are not small. You are not unworthy. You are not small. You are not unworthy. You are not insignificant. Have you loved yourself is how you teach others to you love. To fall in love with yourself is the first secret of happiness. When you say yes to others, make sure you are not saying no to yourself. Thank you.
Respected evaluators, faculty members and all my dear friends, a very good morning to all. So the genre that we have selected is someone special and I do feel like that you all might have someone special in your life. So this haiku is for them.
So the haiku start with, you are the evening of Banaras, the tone of Lucknow. The trick is of Nawabs, the smile is of Slayer. If I talk about your simplicity, it is the combination of confluence. If your eyes just a game of conspiracy, I'll always remember you till my last 5 breaths. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Akri. With my teammates, Aniket and Srishti. Our team name is Boy and Mermaids. And theme for haiku is someone special. To you, I give the whole me, for I believe that you are my destiny. To you, I offer every best of my heart, for I believe that you will love me. Loving you is what I want to do. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nishant Kumar and my teammates Pritham. Mine is not working. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nishant Kumar and my teammates is Prince and Pritham. And my group name is The Cool Gang. What's happened here?
Guys, maintain decorum, please.
Guys, maintain silence.
And our topic is someone special. I have so much love for you in my heart. Deep down, you do know, but your rage and anger overpower your beautiful brains, making you something I don't like at all. But I cannot never leave you. I cannot walk away as my love for you breathes in my heart with every new day. Thank you.
The teams, please be ready.
जब मैं गया तो उसने फिर करूँ क्यों ना मैं यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाता हूँ
A warm good morning to one and all present over here. Myself, Divya Mishra, along with Santanu and Pratik. Our team name is Word Exploiter. The theme is today versus yesterday. Yesterday is done and gone. Today is 24-hour long. It's fast and we should ride along before we miss the life tram. Just like yesterday's bread and jam. That's all from our side. Thank you.
And team Emmy Moore, be ready.
Good morning, everyone. I am Astha Pathak from Feather Dream with my team members Kesri Nandan Singh and Chahat Guria, presenting a haiku on self-love. Here it goes. I, in these difficult times, though nothing seems fine, trying to explore individuality, togetherness, mankind, and working overtime all at the same time. However, don't we all know that sparing a few moments of peace for ourselves is sometimes the most divine? Thank you.
Team Anymore, please be on the stage. Please be ready. Team Yellow, please be ready.
A very warm and cheerful good morning to all of you present here on our respected judges. So, my team is Team Animere with my teammates Umesh Chandra Sharma, Priyam and myself Anjali Sharma are going to recite a haiku on the genre reminiscence. We all live in today, but we do have our past memories which we can remember.
And my team name is Europe. So my lovely topic is someone special. Life is all about love. So I finally found my dove. He wears a perfect feather, which makes the perfect weather. Before the story would start, the love left the class. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear colleagues. I am Komalpreet Kaur along with my team, Shreya and Krati, and we are from Team Creators, and we are going to recite a haiku written by us, which is on self-love. And I think self-love is the most important thing which we should practice in our daily lives, and it is for the ones who need to hear this. And the haiku goes like, we all are busy in today's world, lost somewhere in the hustle. Busy in our daily cures, searching for someone to nourish us. Where we forget to love ourselves. Thank you.
Team United. Scotch in my hand and sorrow in my eyes. Just wondering why I couldn't catch your sweet lies. This heart of mine inside keeps burning. Darling, but I don't want to be home returning. Scotch in my hand and sorrow in my eyes.
Karan Rajhan and Idhan Garg. We chosen our topic on haiku, someone special. My name is Flags. When I was in fair, Papa says, Zid is not fair. Mama takes my side and bought the toy what I like. When I was in 12th standard, Papa says, no bike ever. Mama is in favor and purchase the bike. Papa is sometimes rude, but he's our dude. And Mama is always cool. That's why our parents are someone special in our life. Thanks you.
A huge round of applause.